Starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Chiliz in a real sense is exchanging at 10 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.4% in especially most recent 60-minute. Beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. CHZ especially has a genuinely all-out market cap of $700,239,273 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $35,380,000 in an especially significant manner. This in a real sense makes Chiliz, all things considered, positioning at 63 in the digital currency market, which essentially is very huge. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the Chiliz cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Chiliz in a real sense be somewhat worth in 2023? Or so they basically thought. Is Chiliz a by and large wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will CHZ cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed high? These truly are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz value expectation 2023 as per the Chiliz conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the CHZ cost by and large is supposed to for the most part cross an essentially normal value level of 12 cents. The normal by and large least value worth of Chiliz toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to in a real sense be 12 cents, in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, CHZ can arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of 14 cents in a truly significant manner. Chiliz value expectation June 2023. The cost for Chiliz in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 9 cents and 11 cents, which basically is very critical. While the typical exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around 10 cents, which in a real sense shows that this generally makes Chiliz truly positioning at 63 in the digital money market, which sort of is very critical. CHZ value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Chiliz generally is determined to essentially be at around a by and large least worth of 10 cents, exhibiting how might CHZ cost generally outperform its untouched high, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Chiliz value worth can especially arrive at a truly limit of 11 cents with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 11 cents in USD, or so they explicitly thought. CHZ value gauge August 2023. The Chiliz conjecture for August 2023 expects that the CHZ might arrive at a truly greatest worth of 12 cents with a base cost of around 10 cents, or so they certainly thought, discussing the really normal value CHZ can in every practical sense stretch around 11 cents for August, which for the most part is very critical. CHZ value figure September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Chiliz is supposed to generally arrive at a kind of least value worth of 11 cents, or so they explicitly thought. The CHZ cost could fundamentally arrive at a very most extreme cost of 12 cents with the typical cost around 11 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz value gauge October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Chiliz generally is for the most part anticipated to for the most part arrive at a typical cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 13 cents and a fundamentally least of 11 cents. Especially further appearance how CHZ value conjecture September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Chiliz certainly is supposed to essentially arrive at an especially least value worth of 11 cents, which for the most part is very huge. Chiliz value expectation November 2023. The cost of Chiliz certainly is for the most part anticipated to truly reach at an especially least worth of 11 cents in November 2023, which essentially is very critical. The CHZ cost could essentially arrive at a really most extreme worth of 13 cents with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz value expectation December 2023. The cost for Chiliz in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 12 cents and 14 cents, which really is very critical. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around 12 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Chiliz sort of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chiliz's cost basically has shown a fundamentally decent increment of 1.3% in the essentially most recent 24 hours. From sort of most recent 7 days, the CHZ explicitly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.98%, showing how in the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Chiliz cost expectation end of 2023, what will Chiliz in every practical sense be somewhat worth in 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. Chiliz fundamentally has shown areas of strength for certainly all expectations and purposes potential recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and most certainly put resources into a quite huge way by and large. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ certainly diminished by 28.451%, disposing of an astounding pretty typical amount of 4 cents from its really current worth, exhibiting that Chiliz by and large has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential of late. And this could be essentially great chance to sort of dive right in and explicitly put resources into a major way. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a fundamentally decent especially purchase and open door for especially speedy interest in an especially significant manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 27.41%, and the cost for the most part circled from a very least genuinely normal cost of 13 cents to greatest pretty normal cost of 14 cents in the beyond 90 days, exhibiting how starting around the 2nd of June 2023 Chiliz really is exchanging at 10 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.4% in every practical sense. Most recent 1 hour in an extremely huge manner. Chiliz really is somewhere near 4.28% with the sort of greatest sort of typical cost of the coin essentially was around 11 cents and the very least truly normal cost of sort of was around 11 cents in beyond 4 months, which generally shows that truly is Chiliz a wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner. Chiliz Value Figure 2023 FAQs. What will be Chiliz fundamentally worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The CHZ cost in a real sense is determined to sort of arrive at an exceptionally greatest degree of 14 cents with essentially least cost of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023, which certainly shows that CHZ value conjecture August 2023. The Chiliz estimate for August 2023 expects that the CHZ may in a real sense arrive at a truly most extreme worth of 12 cents with a base cost of around 10 cents in a sort of significant manner. Does Chiliz basically have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Chiliz truly has an extraordinary in every way that really matters, potential to arrive at new levels in a very huge manner basically. It truly is figure that CHZ will increment in esteem. Genuinely further appearance how CHZ value estimate August 2023. The Chiliz conjecture for August 2023 expects that the CHZ may especially arrive at an especially greatest worth of 12 cents with a very least cost of around 10 cents, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per explicit specialists and business examiners, Chiliz can truly raise a ruckus around town the greatest cost of $4.56 till 2030, which generally is genuinely huge. Is Chiliz in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in a by and large enormous manner. Chiliz's worth truly is supposed to especially keep on extending, as deficiency will in general fundamentally support cost ascend in a sort of enormous manner. If it's not too much trouble, note, there especially is a gamble to any interest in an unpretentious manner. Just especially put resources into what you can generally achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the extremely greatest examination pretty conceivable in a sort of huge manner.